Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Teal Gel Polish is probably one of the most vibrant and eye-catching nail colors you can find. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Teal Gel Polish, exploring its stunning shades, long-lasting wear, and the perfect application techniques to achieve a flawless, salon-worthy manicure right at home. Get ready to discover the secrets to a chip-resistant, glossy finish that will turn heads and elevate your style. Number 5. Beetles A636 Cascade Green Gel Polish. This is a stunning deep yet vibrant green gel polish, inspired by the beauty of nature. It's perfect for creating elegant and trendy manicures for any season. The color number is A636. This shade is a rich cascade green, ideal for a sophisticated look. The formula is gentle and professional grade, designed for a healthy and durable manicure. It's also eco-conscious, so you can feel good about using it. With proper application, it can last at least 3 weeks. Remember, it's a UV gel, so it will be sticky after curing. You'll need a base coat and top coat, which are sold separately. Cure under LED UV light for 90 to 120 seconds. If the gel feels thick, place it in hot water for 1 to 2 minutes and shake well. Always follow the directions for best results. This product is for nail use only. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. In case of contact, rinse immediately with water. If any adverse reaction occurs, seek medical attention. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This gel polish boasts a stunning, deep green shade, perfect for creating elegant manicures. Its nail-friendly formula ensures a healthy manicure, and the easy application makes it a breeze to use. If you are looking for a sophisticated, long-lasting color for any season, you should consider this. What people say. Coverage is great with 1 coat, does seem to bubble up after 2 coats if I do not leave them under the light for more than 1 minute. Nice quality milky gel polish. Dried like any other UV polish I have. I did 3 coats. The color is rich and vibrant, and it lasted almost 4 weeks without any chips. The quality and durability exceeded my expectations, and the application was smooth and easy. Number 4. Senvenski CS6-011 Gel Nail Polish Kit. This is a vibrant nail art set from Senvenski. It includes a variety of beautiful colors perfect for any occasion. It's a great choice for both beginners and professionals. Applying this gel polish is simple. First, use the base coat, then apply the color coat and top coat, curing each layer under a UV LED lamp. With proper application, it can last for over 21 days. The Senvenski gel polish is made from natural resin and is non-toxic. It has a low odor, rich color, and smooth finish. It's suitable for various nail art systems. These beautiful colors make a great gift for anyone who loves nail art. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's suitable for both salon use and home DIY projects. Remember to do a skin test before use. Apply thin coats for the best results. If applied too thick, the gel may shrink and peel off. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like. With its bright and shiny colors, this nail art set is sure to catch the eye. The easy application ensures a long-lasting manicure. If you are a nail art beginner or looking for a gift, you should choose this. What people say. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It is very easy to apply. It lasts a long time. Number 3. AIMEILI HEMA Free Gel Nail Polish, Diamond Glitter Teal Blue. This AIMEILI gel nail polish is vegan and cruelty-free. Most of the raw materials come from the USA and Europe, ensuring quality and reliability. The HEMA-free formula is gentle on your nails. It's made with natural resin and is toxin-free, making it safer and healthier to use. The sticky residue after curing is normal and helps with adhesion. Enjoy a mirror shine finish that lasts up to 28 days. It goes on like polish and wears like gel, without any nicks, chips, or smudges. The improved consistency makes it smooth and easy to apply. Remember to cure it under a nail lamp for 30 to 120 seconds for the best results. With proper application, you can enjoy a long-lasting manicure. It's the ideal gift for various occasions. Enjoy your manicure time with family and friends at home. Please remember to do a skin test before use, as it may cause an allergic reaction. What we like. This gel polish is vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without HEMA, making it a healthier choice for your nails. It offers a mirror shine finish that lasts up to 28 days. If you like a guilt-free, long-lasting, and high-shine manicure, you should consider this. What people say. This is a really beautiful color jade green with a generous amount of medium-sized glitter. It's always a little tricky to apply glitter polish, but this one goes on easier than others I've tried. I find it works best to dab it on in the middle of the nail and then carefully spread it out, rearranging the glitter pieces with a toothpick if they clump or slide off to the side. If you are looking for hollow glitter that appears to have a layered dimension to it, then look no further. I used 2 coats. The first coat was nice enough to leave on its own, but it really shines with 2. I purchased various colors and am pleased with the quality of these gel nail polish. Stays on for weeks. Does not chip. Number 2. CANNI Emerald Green Gel Nail Polish Set. Introducing the CANNI Emerald Green Gel Nail Polish Set, specially formulated without HEMA. This ensures a safer and healthier nail care experience for you. Enjoy beautiful nails without compromise. This gel polish offers exceptional longevity. With proper application, it can last for at least 30 days without chipping or peeling. It goes on smoothly and maintains its beautiful finish. The bottles are designed with colors that match the gel inside. This unique design gives you the most accurate view when doing your manicure. It's both practical and stylish. Achieve professional results from the comfort of your home. This HEMA-free gel nail polish allows you to get glossy, salon-quality nails without the salon cost. It's easy and convenient. This set comes in beautiful packaging, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, it's perfect for her. Give the gift of beautiful nails. What we like. This gel polish set features a HEMA-free formula for a safer experience, and offers long-lasting wear. The unique color bottles make it easy to choose your shade. If you are looking for a salon-quality result at home, you should consider this. What people say. The pigment is great, the color selections are vast, and the finished product looks beautiful. They have a nice jelly-like texture that's easy to apply and doesn't feel thick. The pigmentation is excellent, the colors are vibrant, and they stay super bright for a long time. Number 1. Vishine 6-piece ES Gel Polish Set. This gel polish set is made of natural resin, ensuring healthy ingredients. It's low smell and non-toxic, making it safe for your nails. You can enjoy beautiful nails without worry. With proper application, this gel polish can last for over 21 days. It's designed to be durable and chip-resistant. Enjoy long-lasting, vibrant color. Apply 2 or 3 layers to achieve the true color. It requires a UV or LED nail lamp for curing. The application process is simple and straightforward. The set includes 6 bottles, each containing 8 milliliters of gel polish, packaged in a nice box. It's convenient to carry with you wherever you go. Perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. Made with premium ingredients, this gel polish offers rich color and a smooth finish. It has a middle consistency, self-levels, and won't shrink or have edge issues. You'll love the professional results. What we like. This gel polish is made with healthy, non-toxic ingredients and offers long-lasting wear. The premium ingredients ensure a rich color and smooth application. If you like a convenient and long-lasting manicure, you should consider this. What people say. These, full-sized, gel polishes are beautifully pigmented. As an amateur nail artist, I can say they were easy to work with and looked great even after a full wear of 2 weeks. Works great and lasts several weeks without chipping. The cream colors are opaque and the jellies are filled with beautiful high-quality glitters. Look at that shine hard eyes. I also love that the polish bottles have a little window so that you know what color is inside. That's extremely helpful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.